These Atlant household appliances are made at Minsk Refrigerator plant, founded in 1959. Production of Atlant refrigerators starts in the metal workshop. Here we manufacture body parts. Metal pieces are supplied to automated line and consistently go through all the required process operations: stamping, shaping and bending. In 20 seconds the exterior panel is ready. Side panels of refrigerating cabinets are also made on automated lines. Then the body parts go to the panel polymer coating shop, namely to surface preparation process unit. Pre-treatment, degreasing of panel surfaces, application of anti-corrosion phosphate layer, washing of the prepared surfaces with demineralized water are performed in 9 sections of the process unit. Prepared body parts go to the painting shop. Painting is performed by powder paint spraying in electrostatic field. 2 chambers are intended for white coating, while the third one is designated to paint the parts in other colors. Evaporators are also made in the metal workshop. Wire and tube evaporator for freezing chamber and tube-on-sheet one for refrigerating chamber. Upon a number of process operations, steel tube turns into wire and tube evaporator coil. Wire vanes are welded to the coil and the evaporator shelves go to ultrasonic degreasing line to ensure high-quality welding. Gas flame welding is performed with flux gas to protect the joints from corrosion. Then the evaporator is tested to ensure leak tightness. The air is pumped out of the device while volatile helium is pumped in. Helium leaks data for the tested evaporator are displayed on computer screen. Leak-tight evaporators are prepared for painting. The surfaces are degreased on the process unit and cataphoresis layer is applied in the bath. Such coating provides high corrosion resistance of the evaporator in humid environment and at low temperatures. The cataphoresis layer is dried and the evaporators are painted. Tube-on-sheet evaporators for refrigerating chamber are made from aluminum tubes. The tubes intended for coils are bent on 3 lines. Suction tubes are welded to the coils with the help of resistance welding machines. Then, capillary tube is rolled up to the evaporator with adhesive aluminum tape, and the evaporator goes to helium leak test line. Leak-tight tube-on-sheet evaporators move forward along the conveyor belt to the assembly shop. Door sealing strips are made in plastics shop. Extruders make the sealing strip profile, which is cut to length into parts after cooling. They are aged for 4 hours to stabilize the profile. The refrigerator drain pipe is made in a similar way. Magnetic insert is made for door sealing strip. It is placed inside the sealing strip body and cut to fit the length. 4 parts of the sealing strip are welded at right angle with the welding machine. The plastics shop also produces the parts by pressure molding method. 43 molding machines produce trays, covers, panels, baskets for refrigerators and freezers. The required print is applied on specific molded parts in silkscreen printing shop by pad transfer printers. Internal refrigerating cabinets and inner door panels are also made in the plastics shop. First, extruders make polystyrene sheets. As the sheet goes along the conveyor belt, it cools down and is cut to length. The leaf is divided by guillotine scissors into separate sheets that are stacked in packs. The sheets are aged for 2 days to get stabilized. Thereafter, they are delivered to vacuum forming shop for subsequent thermoforming. It takes only 55 seconds to make internal refrigerating cabinet from the sheet. Ready-to-use refrigerators come out from the main shop of the plant, the refrigerator assembly shop. At first, the refrigerators are pre-assembled. Internal cabinets of refrigerating and freezing chamber are joined together. Then the evaporator is fixed to the back side of the internal cabinet of the refrigerating chamber. Temperature control sensors, sleeves, brackets and other required elements are mounted on the cabinet. Outer refrigerator cabinets are joined together on the parallel conveyor line, followed by installation of the back panel. After that, the outer cabinet is connected to the inner cabinet. The assembled cabinet goes to foam filling shop. The refrigerator cabinets are loaded into heating furnace. Polyurethane foam filling is performed in 10 modules of the process line. Upon completion of foam curing time, the cabinet is automatically unloaded from the module and transferred to the conveyor line for installation on the rear support. Refrigerator doors are also filled with polyurethane foam insulation. First, the doors are pre-assembled. outer panels are aligned with the handles and plates and are properly sealed. Then the pre-assembled doors go to the filling shop. The doors are filled with polyurethane foam by barrel method. It takes only 7 minutes for the doors to be ready for further installation of the sealing strip. The refrigerator assembly process starts with installation of evaporators for freezing chambers, followed by sequence operations finalized with filling the refrigerator cabinet with structural elements. The doors are installed on the refrigerator. Simultaneously, on the other side of the conveyor line, preparation and laying of the electrical wiring, installation of cooling system elements including the compressor are carried out. Then the condenser is installed on the appliance. The refrigerator is prepared for filling with coolant. Refrigeration unit connections are joined and soldered. Immediately before filling, the refrigeration system is vacuumed to the required level, then the refrigerator is filled with isobutane and ultrasonically sealed. As soon as the assembly process is completed, the refrigerator goes to the test bench for acceptance tests to check product year, marking and completeness, sealing strip adherence to the door, effort required to open the door, refrigerator grounding, dielectric insulation strength, start when the mains voltage deviates from the nominal value, adjusted sound power level, refrigeration unit leaks, temperature and power consumption parameters, light switch operability. After tests, the refrigerators are fitted with shelves, vessels and tanks. Each refrigerator is assigned serial number, printed online in warranty card and nameplate. The refrigerator with manuals is ready for packing. The process pallet is replaced with bottom shock absorber to protect the refrigerator from mechanical stress during shipment. The refrigerator is packed in polyethylene film cover to prevent potential adverse effects of high humidity. Then the corrugated board is put on the refrigerator and 4 shock absorbers are placed in the corners to protect the appliance from mechanical damage in shipment. The final operation is the installation of cardboard roof. Packed refrigerators are wrapped with polypropylene belt